welcome to Boho Mod Blog. Today I'm going to show you how we made a berm, and more importantly, what is a berm?
In a nutshell, a berm is an artificial embankment. It's a landscaping feature meant to create interest and block sound. We live on a busy street, so we're hoping this will absorb some sound. And this is how we did it. First, you create the shape. We used spray paint, and we just sprayed sort of a giant blob onto the yard that we thought would be a cool shape for a berm. Then you fill it up. We had that giant pile of dirt in the back, and I just ran out like a crazy person for a really long time, dumping that dirt from the backyard into the front yard, building it up. I used sandbox sand, leaves, dirt, anything you could think of to create some mass there. You can also buy fill dirt, but it feels wrong, right? Who buys dirt? And that defeats the purpose. We want to show you we did it for free. My neighbors thought I was crazy, by the way, but they were worried. They didn't know what we were doing, and it looked really ugly for a long time. But hey, it all worked out. After it's high enough, you throw in some landscaping. I got decorative grass, mums, a rhododendron, some annuals, and then got some mulch delivered, so that was not free. Mulch it up, and then you edge it. You edge it with these giant, beautiful rocks. You could buy edging, but this was free. We went to Facebook Marketplace. I drove to strangers' homes. I didn't get murdered, thank God. I actually met some great people. Shout out Carrie. And got these rocks from people all over the city that didn't want theirs. I suggest you try it too. And it really helps create the shape and make it look a lot more defined. And that's it a year later. Isn't that nice? It went from sort of a dull looking home, nothing of interest, to the Shangri-La that it is today as it slowly pans. So I hope you like this. I hope you now understand what a berm is. Maybe you'll make a berm. But please like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.